visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings, and gusto ko po sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Please also believe in the divine timing because this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. Tignan natin kung ano nangyayari, no, sa paligid-ligid. Let's also check an update. With the Four of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito, we started with siguro yung pakipot, no? We started with, I don't want to talk to that person. Parang wala akong interest, no? Na makipag-usap. Or, totoo naman din talaga, either nagpapakipot, nagpapabebe, with the Four of Pentacles, sort of, nagpapahabol. Sige, sabihin na natin, sige, nagpapahabol. But then again, with the Two of Swords, ayun yung sinabi, na siguro nanawa itong person na ito, kakahabol, express no, ng kanyang emotion dito sa relationship na ito or doon sa person na iyon, and then biglang nawala. So parang hinanap, if I am that person, no, putting myself in that shoe, kung ako yung nagpapabebe, hinanap ko naman siya ngayon. So, bakit bigla na lang nawala yung effort nitong person na ito? Bakit bigla na lang hindi nagparamdam, hindi nagpakita? It felt like, um, feeling feeling ko merong nakakaramdam na iniwan ako sa ere, no? I was actually nagpakita ka sa akin ng interest, nananahimik ako, and then siguro meron dito nag-iisip pa ako kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin, and then biglang nawala. So may nainip. With the Four of Swords sa heart space, so ang nakikita natin dito tinamad actually, no, napagod. Is there pointing fingers in here? Wala naman. Hindi naman sinabi nitong person na ito na, kasi ikaw masyado kang pahabol, masyado kang wala naman. It felt like I already exhausted, no, all my resources, my time, energy, my effort, no. Wala na rin akong masabi kasi nasabi ko na lahat. So, may assumption dito na ayaw sa akin. So, biglang nanahimik. Clarifying that is the Three of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So, parang sinabi naman niya, lahat naman na ipakita ko na. I made sure na what I am offering is for this person to actually smile, make them happy. I don't know what to do anymore. So, parang nagkaroon nga ito ng assumption. Wala akong pag-asa. So, kung may nanliligaw, tas ganun yung biglang nawala, ano ba? Kasi yung energy nitong person is hindi naman tinuturo, hindi naman siya nagtuturo. Actually, may self-blame nga 'to, eh. Baka meron ka ring self-blame, no? With the Chariot, I feel like siguro medyo malayo-layo din itong taong 'to. So, nakakapagod nga naman, lalo na if the person is exerting effort, either nagda-drive or, namamasahe just to see you, no? Parang sabi niya, "Ay sandali sayang din naman 'no, sana tinulog ko na lang." with the Chariot. I think that this person got exhausted and putting all the time, energy, effort to themselves kasi nga they have the assumption of walang pag-asa. With the Emperor, ayan. So someone here would love, naiintindihan naman yon, no? Nakakaintindi naman tayo dun sa, I would love, the reason why I'm doing this is because I would love everything to fall on its places. Ayoko madaliin. So, actually, parang walang clear na communication dito kasi may assumption yung isa. Yung isa naman, hindi naman sinasabi. So, the reason bakit ganito is gusto ko medyo um, in order, bagalan, what have you, no? Pero kasi with the emperor, kasi nga emperor, no, dapat iniintindi mo ako. So, yun, doon nagkaroon ng miscommunication. So, dapat iniintindi. With the emperor clarified with the justice and the four of cups, ang nakikita natin dito is more of, wow, the justice and the four of cups. Yeah, parang sinabi niya dito is more of naibigay ko naman lahat, wala akong nagawang masama, and I really feel para kasing ang assumption niya ipinaparamdam or ipinapakita or someone's kind of rubbing it to their face na I'm not interested anymore. So, with the Six of Wands, oh, meron pa naman palang pag-asa with the Six of Wands. I feel like manunumbalik yung sigla nito if doon sa um, hindi masyadong nakikipag-communicate or doon sa masyadong sinasabing dapat ako iniintindi is more of mag-reach out or ipaliwanag what's really happening because the person's emotion is very down kasi with yun nga kasi may assumption siya na walang pag-asa, hindi ito magmo-move forward. With the Hierophant, I feel like someone here needs to ask for like ano 'to, yung parang middle ground, yung meeting halfway or compromise. Um, Especially if you also like the person, I feel like you need to somehow exert the effort din naman, 'no? Kasi parang yung person na nawalan ng pag-asa, 'no, assumed na, since hindi rin naman siya nag-e-exert ng effort, hindi naman ako nabibigyan ng chance to, um, feel, 'no, kung meron din ba akong pag-asa sa kanya. Um, I think it's time, 'no, to show the person na, may hope. So, tingnan natin dito with the Empress, naku parang maggo-glow up ito, 'no? The thing here is, I don't know how they got the idea of being yeah, siguro kasi feeling nila 'no na busted sila. So, um, maggo-glow up ito. So, they have a promise of, I need to glow up, I need to, kind of reinvent myself, ipanganak itong version 2.0. So, uh, not to make ganti, 'no, but to actually get someone. So, lalo na kung gusto mo, might as well, kung gusto mo rin naman 'to, might as well 'no, show some efforts na din. Dahil I feel like this might be the end of it pagdating sa'yo. I think that this person's going to take time to really glow up and look for someone new with a Queen of Cups. Uh, huh. Queen of Cups. I feel like kasi ang sabi niya, if I cannot get the emotion, the love na that I wanted from you, I would rather look and get it from someone else. So I feel like medyo meron na itong um decision na I just need to charge, no, my energy, um, and then regenerate uh, my self-esteem, reinvent myself, para 'tong magtatago sa cocoon and then comes out rather na, with a comes out with a beautiful wings 'no. So, paano 'yan, yung hinahabol ngayon ang maghahabol was the Ace of Wands, and it felt like with the Ace of Wands, naku sayang kasi this person sana is very, um, passionate 'no. Well, siguro pinakita naman niya and there's actually something more to them. Kung ano yung nakita mo is just tip of the iceberg. So, it felt like meron pa 'tong ibubuga, malaki pa yung potentials na puwede nitong gawin. Um, but at the end of the day, no, these are just guides. So, ah, do what make you feel what you need to do and what makes you feel that is right for you. So, pero sayang 'to, 'no? So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po 'yan, I want you to know that, yeah, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions with this reading or had some personal question, there is a link no, sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign now. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwede ring lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, I'm seeing Virgo, Pisces. I am seeing Aries, Capricorn. I am seeing Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra. Aries is very dominant, Libra is very dominant, Aquarius is here, Pisces is here, Cancer, and Scorpio. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.